Hi everyone, welcome to the Lashes online channel. My name is Victoria. I will show eyelashes extension of classic set. Also I will tell you why some masters refuse to do the filling. Be sure to like, write comments, it will help promote the channel. Let's begin. The girl did eyelash extensions 4 weeks ago. Video with extensions you can see by clicking on the link at the top of the video. After 4 weeks, some eyelashes fell out on their own and some twisted or peeled off from the native eyelashes. Most often this is due to the fact that clients can rub their eyes with their hands, and sometimes cleaning the skin of the eyelids, using cotton swabs or pads, hit the lint of the artificial eyelash and mess up its direction. Our task during the eyelash refill to remove all outgrown eyelashes, as well as damaged ones, which look the wrong way or peeled a bit off the native eyelash. The whole procedure is performed in the same way as eyelash extensions, but it is done faster, because I will build up only on the native eyelashes, which are left without artificial ones. First of all, before filling, I ask the client to rinse the eyelashes with foam, as in the eyelashes one can find often cosmetics, dust, and grease, which is released by the skin. Although I always tell my clients to rinse their lashes with foam every day, there are still girls who are afraid to wash their false lashes. If you do the filling on clean eyelashes, they will hold as well as with full eyelash extensions. I perform filling provided that the artificial eyelashes left at least 40 to 50%. If there's not many eyelashes left, I do removal and then perform the extension again. Also an important factor for filling is the home care of the client. If a girl comes with a lot of makeup on the eyes, or with greasy sediments at the base of the eyelashes, which highlights the skin, most likely she did not wash the eyelashes, so I will not do filling of eyelashes, as they won't hold well. After all, even after washing your face before the procedure, grease and makeup can remain on your eyes. Which means that we can fully clean the eyelashes only with a complete removal. At the beginning of the filling, I remove the lashes that will interfere with the procedure. These may be eyelashes that are very strong grown out, or eyelashes that are deformed and point in the wrong direction. Such lashes are usually 2 or 3 pieces. After that I proceed to eyelash extensions. Alternately glue a few eyelashes on one side and a few eyelashes on the other. And it would be the process of filling, when I will remove the outgrown eyelashes, which have grown about 2 mm or more to restore an even eyelash line. Let's see how I remove the eyelashes mechanically. With one tweezer I hold the native lash at the base. With the second tweezer I try to pick up the artificial lash and snap it off the native lash. There is also another way to remove artificial lashes with tweezers. One tweezers I take the end of the native eyelash, and the second tweezers I take the end of the artificial eyelash and pull them in different directions. This removes the artificial eyelash. The second method does not always work, because the eyelashes can be very strongly glued, especially if it was made volumetric extension. And now I would like to share with you why some masters refuse to perform the eyelashes refill. Sometimes there is an objective reason, as I said earlier, when the client does not wash the eyelashes with foam and the master simply cannot perform fill on such eyelashes. But it happens when the client is good to go with the extended eyelashes, there's a strong hold, and also the client rinses the eyelash as well. But the master refuses to correct it, each time does the extension again. There could be several reasons. The first reason is when the master allows a lot of gluing. This extension is difficult to correct, so the master removes and does it again. There are also masters who do the build-up without a margin. With this extension of artificial eyelashes are very strongly glued to the skin. They are difficult to remove using tweezers, plus native eyelashes suffer. Most often such masters also do not perform the filling. I probably would not go to the master who don't perform eyelash filling at all. If you have another reason, write in the comments why you refuse to do the filling. Myself, in particular, I am very fond of the eyelash filling as it takes much less time to do the procedure. I have clients that I perform the filling in less than an hour. I have taught my clients to take good care of their eyelashes, and therefore there are no problems when performing this procedure. I usually try to alternate between full extension and filling. Ask your questions about eyelash filling, I will be happy to answer them. I hope this episode was useful for you. Subscribe to the channel, click like, and see you soon.